Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ecom Adventures here. Today we got a fantastic video for you guys. We're gonna be talking about the 5 reasons why Amazon sellers fail. We are here in central London today. I wanted to change the scenery a little bit. We got a fantastic view here, West London to be exactly. So let's take a look. Here we are really high up, but anyway, let's go and talk about the 5 reasons. Reason number 1, commitment. You need to have the right commitment to make your business succeed. You need to have the right mindset to succeed. Don't give up at the first problem that you might have, right? So it takes work to get it work. It takes work to succeed. Don't have the illusion that this is a business that is going to succeed from one day to another. Don't have the illusion that this is a business that is going to make you millionaires from one day to another. I have to be honest with you guys, and doesn't work this way. It takes work, but work pays off. All right? So now, reason number 2, learning. Get the right knowledge. Learn about the platform. Learn about Amazon. Learn about the Amazon algorithm. Have the proper PPC strategies. You can do it with a course, you can do it with a mentorship, you can do it watching YouTube videos, but it has to be from someone who sells on Amazon, someone who's been in that journey before. Don't listen to these gurus. They tell you, oh yeah, you can sell this, you can sell that, you can gonna be millionaire in 2 weeks time. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to have knowledge, and knowledge takes work. So make sure you learn from someone who knows about it, someone who's been in that journey, someone who's gonna avoid costly mistakes for you. Okay, let's move on. Reason number 3, product research. People fail in Amazon because they don't do the product research correctly. All right, they go for the wrong products. Don't go for unicorns. What are unicorns? Unicorns are products that they say they're gonna make you millionaire with one product. No, we're not looking for products that they sell 100,000, 50,000 in revenue per month. We're looking for low profile products. This is the strategy, low profile products. So what is a low profile product? A low profile product is a product that sells between 5 to 10 units a day. That's it. But you're not gonna have only one. You're gonna have like 5 to 10 of these products. So each product is gonna give you a revenue of £3,000. All right. No much competition, easy to rank, and that product is gonna give you a profit that is gonna be sustainable for a long time. But you're not gonna have only one. You're gonna have 5 to 10 of these products, right? Low profile products. Remember. Now, reason number 4. You need to have the correct budget, the correct capital to get into this business, all right? You don't need fortunes, but you need to have the correct budget. So you're gonna start the business, your product is gonna be selling because you're gonna be prepared, you're gonna do your knowledge, you're gonna do the correct product research, and then what's gonna happen? Your product's gonna sell quick, so you need to reorder. So you need to have the capital in order to reorder. Also, like I said before, you need the right tools, right? So you need to be able to afford the subscriptions. They're not much, they're not expensive. And also I'll remind you again, on Helium 10, we have discount for Helium 10. Click the link below. Now, reason number 5. Okay, and this one is extremely important. And people do not plan. People do not do things correctly from the beginning. So you need to have a business plan. What you're gonna do, what's gonna be your brand name. Now, the brand name, someone using your brand name, you need to make sure that nobody's using your brand name, because then you're gonna need to brand register that. And if you do all the work, all the product research, you get the listings, you get all the reviews and everything, and then after a month you say, oh, I'm gonna register it, but you can't register because someone is using it. That's it, all that work down the drain. So pick a correct brand name that nobody's using it. Do everything properly from the beginning. Open the account correctly. All right, in another of my videos I explain how to open the Amazon account with the LTD, that I believe is one of the best ways to open with a limited company. Everything has to be done correctly. A business account. All right, so I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope that you're not gonna make any of these failures that I mentioned here. Keep watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.